Hey guys, hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Y'all might or might not have heard that this KFC recipe going viral about what do they call it? Devil chicken rice, devil something. So my friends tagged me in it and I thought why not just cook it for them. I saw the recipe, decent recipe, very straightforward, but I thought might as well. I thought that I'm gonna make a few adjustments here and there based on how I like my stuff. So yeah, always happy dealing with KFC. Let's get to cooking. So when I first saw this recipe, I thought of two things. Number one is how closely it resembles our favorite Hainanese chicken rice. As such, I'm gonna give it the same treatment. So as you can see, I'm gonna fry up some garlic and ginger in sesame oil, or better known as bao xiang, until they are nice and fragrant. And then I'm gonna add the washed rice straight into the wok. Not gonna do too much here. Basically, I want to coat the rice with the fragrant oil from the aromatics. And then from here on out, it's simple enough. Transfer your rice into the rice cooker and get every single grain. Add your chicken into the rice cooker. You want more dark meat here because you want more of the fats from the chicken to go into the rice. And then add chicken stock. And then look at your rice cooker thinking, how are you supposed to measure the amount of liquid to rice? And then take out the chicken pieces in regret and do the legendary Asian finger trick. Season with a touch of soya sauce. And then transfer your chicken back into the rice cooker. And pop the whole thing into the rice cooker. Into the rice cooker it goes. Let's check on the rice. After the first cook, I tasted for seasoning and figured it needed a bit of salt. I also fluffed the rice a bit and then set it to cook for a second time. Because this is the second thing I thought about for the recipe, is that you're basically stealing from the kernel. You need to allow time for the rice to absorb all the goodness from the 11 herbs and spices. And then all that's left to do is to plate it, rice in a bowl shape. Shredded KFC because they are super tender by now, and a touch of spring onions. I thought that this was remarkably delicious for how easy it was to make. If KFC rice bowl tasted like this, they would absolutely wreck the market. But let's just get a second opinion on how it tasted. Alright, what do we have here? Oh, what is this? Good. Oh, where's so much flavor here? You heard it here first. Pretty good, huh?
Is it just really just rice cooker?
Yes.
Chicken?
More or less. You have to watch the video. Alright, that's all I have for you guys this time. Like the video if you liked it, disliked it if you disliked it, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.